Alright guys, welcome here to another piano of E453 series tutorial. And so today I'm going to show you how to set praise, okay? Okay, that's both on the left and the right, by a bass and soloing. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first voice, okay? The first voice I want to put is a classical guitar. Classical guitar, if you go to voice, you press 42 rather, give you classical guitar. Okay, now this voice I'm going to dual it. Okay, so I'm going to dual it. Dual means you combine two voices. That's D. Okay, the dual comes to strings, so I'm going to go to dual it with octave guitar. I think it should be 45. Let me see. 45. Give me octave jazz, but I want but octave guitar. Okay, all right, this octave guitar. So I'm going to dual it. So I come to dual. So if you look carefully on your screen, it's not yet dual. So if I press dual will appear on the screen. Now I come to category. To increase the volume, I take plus. Okay, Z volume means dual volume. I increase it up. I go to this dial button. I increase up to 95. Okay, 95. Okay, 95. Yeah, okay, we are there. So when you dual it like that, you get this feeling. Alright, so that's the feeling you get when you dual those two. Okay, now that's with the right hand. Now to work the left hand, okay, I'm going to go to split. Okay, you see, if I go to split, if I long press split, okay, you see S voice stands for split voice, so the voice there is a finger brass. Okay, so I'm going to take 569, which is sign lead. Okay, so it's not yet splitted, so I'm going to split it as well here. If I come here, I take split. Okay, okay, the volume is too low. Right, so if you look carefully, it extends up to this direction. So if I want to, I use what is called split point to reduce it. Okay, so if I come to split point, okay, I'll first of all come to, if I come to function, if I go to function, okay, if I press function, okay, function, okay, I come to category, I'm looking for the split point. You change up to the point where you see split point. All right, here we are, and that's our split point. Okay, if you look in your screen, if I go to die, if I'm reducing it, you see I stop there at 94, 64. Okay, 64. I go down to 60. Voila, 63. So I'll end here. Okay, so all right, if I hear carefully, if I listen carefully, my split volume is low, so I still come to split. Okay, I long press it. Okay, if I long press split, you have split. I go to category. Okay, I take split volume. Okay, so if I add the split volume, I'm adding for the left. All right, I increase it up to about 60, 97 or 96, 95, depends on you. So it's kind of high now. Okay, so I think the last thing now you do is you can take what is called harmony. Okay, you long press harmony. If I long press harmony, okay, there I will see many voices. So the one I take is 21. Okay, that's echo. Okay, when you do that, you press it just once and it appears on your screen. All right, you get some echo. So this is without the harmony. Now with the harmony, I think that's all. So okay, so guys, when you combine the two, all right, you play something beautiful. All right. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video.